Question number 1 is, what are the advantages of locating industries near ports? Answer to question number 1 is, the advantages of locating industries near ports include easy access to raw materials and markets through import and export facilities, reduced transportation costs, and improved logistics and supply chain efficiency. Question number 2 is, name 2 major automobile manufacturing hubs in India. Answer to question number 2 is, 2 major automobile manufacturing hubs in India are, first is Chennai, which is Tamil Nadu, second is Pune in Maharashtra. Question number 3 is, what is the significance of the IT industry in India? Answer to question number 3 is, the IT industry is significant in India as it drives technological advancements, boosts the economy through export, creates high-paying jobs, and positions India as a global leader in software services and innovation. Question number 4 is, which region in India is known for its petrochemical industry? Answer to question number 4 is, the Mumbai-Pune region is known for its petrochemical industry. Question number 5 is, what are cottage industries? Answer to question number 5 is, cottage industries are small-scale and decentralized industries typically run by families using traditional methods. They are often home-based and produce goods like handloom fabrics, pottery, and handicrafts. Question number 6 is, why is the textile industry important for India's economy? Answer to question number 6 is, the textile industry is important for India's economy as it is one of the largest employers, contributes significantly to export earnings, support agriculture by consuming raw materials like cotton and silk, and promote industrial development. Question number 7 is, name 2 raw materials used in the aluminium industry. Answer to question number 7 is, 2 raw materials used in aluminium industry are bauxite and cryolite. Question number 8 is, what is the role of the iron and steel industry in industrial development? Answer to question number 8 is, the iron and steel industry plays a vital role in industrial development by providing essential raw materials for construction, infrastructure, transportation, machinery, and other manufacturing industries, thereby supporting economic growth and development. Question number 9 is, what are the main products of the petrochemical industry? Answer number 9 is, the main products of the petrochemical industry include plastic, synthetic rubber, fertilizer, detergents, and pharmaceuticals. Question number 10 is, which city is known for its silk textile industry in India? Answer to question number 10 is, Varanasi is known for its silk textile industry in India. Question number 11 is, what is the importance of the automobile industry in India? Answer to question number 11 is, the automobile industry is important in India as it generates significant employment, contributes to GDP growth, drives technological advancement, supports ancillary industries, and enhances transportation infrastructure. Question number 12 is, name 2 major software technology parks in India. Answer to question number 12 is, 2 major software technology parks in India are, first is Bengaluru, Karnataka, second is Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 13 is, what is the significance of the cement industry in infrastructure development? Answer to question number 13 is, the cement industry is significant in infrastructure development as it provides the essential material for constructing buildings, roads, bridges, dams, and other infrastructure projects, therefore facilitating economic growth and urbanization. Question number 14 is, what are mineral-based industries? Question number 14 is, mineral-based industries are those industries that use minerals as raw materials for manufacturing products. Examples include the iron and steel industry, cement industry, and aluminum industry. Question number 15 is, which city is known as the Detroit of India? Answer to question number 15 is, Chennai is known as the Detroit of India due to its large and successful automobile industry. Question number 16 is, what are the benefits of industrialization? Answer to question number 16 is, the benefit of industrialization include economic growth, job creation, improved living standards, technology advancements, increased productivity, and infrastructure development. Question number 17 is, name two states in India known for their IT industry. Answer to question number 17 is, two states in India known for their IT industry are, first is Karnataka, second is Telangana. Question number 18 is, what is the role of small-scale industries in the Indian economy? Answer to question number 18 is, small-scale industries play a crucial role in the Indian economy by creating employment, promoting entrepreneurship, supporting rural and regional development, contributing to exports, and fostering innovation and flexibility in production. Question number 19 is, which region in India is known for its iron and steel industry? Answer to question number 19 is, the Chota Nagpur Plateau region in eastern India is known for its iron and steel industry. Question number 20 is, what are the challenges faced by the iron and steel industry in India? Answer to question number 21 is, the challenges faced by the iron and steel industry in India include high production costs, outdated technology, shortage of raw materials, environmental concerns, and competition from global players. Question number 21 is, name two major industrial regions in India. Answer to question number 21 is, two major industrial regions in India are, first is Mumbai-Pune region, second is Kolkata-Hooghly region. Question number 22 is, what is the significance of the agro-based industries in rural development? Answer to question number 22 is, agro-based industries are significant in rural development as they create employment opportunities, enhance income for farmers, promote rural industrialization, and reduce migration to urban areas by providing livelihoods in rural regions. Question number 23 is, which state in India is the largest producer of sugarcane? Answer to question number 23 is, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. Question number 24 is, what are the main characteristics of large-scale industries? Answer to question number 24 is, the main characteristic of large-scale industries include large capital investment, advanced technology, high production volumes, significant employment generation, and production of goods on large scale. Question number 25 is, what is the role of government policies in industrial development? Answer to question number 25 is, government policies play a crucial role in industrial development by providing incentives, infrastructure, regulatory support, and the financial assistance to industries, promoting balanced regional development, encouraging innovation, and ensuring sustainable growth. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.